Hi, today in this video we show you how to create this super cute decoration for Easter that is coming. In 10 days it will be Easter, and we will create this simple and easy bunny, and you can use this bunny as a home decor, or you can put this on your table, on your vase, whatever you want. I will use this one as a bookmark because I love so much to read, and I love so much to have some strange bookmark. Okay, let's get started to create this super cute Easter bunny. We will need a piece of white paper in order to create the face, the head. We will use this paper punch, the circle one. Okay, we will punch one circle, and then in order to create this part we will need another piece of paper, and we will design the ears of the bunny in this way. It's quite easy. Voila. Now, with a pair of scissors, we will cut this, the ears, and voila, second one, and we will glue these two to this part in this way, quite easy. Okay, with some tacky glue we will put a little and we will glue, press, voila, and then the other one, voila, press. Okay, now you can round in this way the end of the ear, voila, with your finger. It's quite easy. And now we will cut the two eyes, the nose, and the flower. Okay, with a piece of black paper and this paper punch, we will cut our two eyes. And for the nose I will use this punch, heart punch. If you don't have the heart punch, you can trace like I did before in this way with a pen like this one. You can trace your nose. Okay, now with some glue we will glue the two eyes. Okay, and now voila, the first one, the other one. Okay, voila. Okay, and now the nose, our little paper heart. Okay, this is too much, but voila. And here, voila. Now we can decor our bunny with a flower. I will use these green leaves and this flower. I used a paper punch for the flower, but you can use also another kind of flower or decor. You can use a gem, or you can use a piece of a ribbon. Voila, here our flower. Here in this part, and now we will add this circle here in order to finish our flower. Voila. Okay, now we will need this piece of wooden stick, and we will need to glue the bunny to the wooden stick with some white glue or tacky glue. Voila. Here, your bunny and your decoration for Easter. It's ready. Leave it to dry for some time, because the wooden stick, it's not so easy to glue something to this wooden stick, but leave it to dry. Voila, here your Easter decoration. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my channel, like my videos. See you next time with a new paper creation. Bye bye.